In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Z-fold brochure on Canva. We'll go through this step by step, so even if you're brand new to Canva or to brochure design, you'll be able to follow along and end up with a professional looking result. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen for the main action button that says Create a Design. This is where every new project starts in Canva. Go ahead and click on that button. A drop-down menu will appear with a list of suggested formats and a search bar at the top. In that search bar, you're going to type the word brochure. As you type, Canva will start showing different brochure-related options. This is helpful because Canva has several brochure formats, and using the right one makes sure your design has the correct size and layout for printing. Among the results, look specifically for the option labeled Z-fold brochure. Sometimes it may be grouped under brochure formats, so make sure you choose the one that clearly says Z-fold. Click on that option. Canva will now open a new workspace that's already set up to match the dimensions and panel layout of a standard Z-fold brochure, which has 3 panels on each side that fold in a zigzag shape. Once your blank Z-fold brochure canvas is open, the next thing you'll want to do is choose a design template. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see Canva's main toolbar. Click on the Templates tab. This will open a gallery of ready-made brochure designs that are already formatted for the Z-fold layout. You can scroll through these templates to find a style that fits your project, whether it's for a business, an event, a product, or an informational handout. When you see one you like, hover over it and click to apply it to your canvas. Canva will automatically place the design across the panels, so you can then start customizing the text, colors, and images to match your brand or message. From here, you're ready to personalize everything, but those are the core steps to get your Z-fold brochure set up correctly in Canva. Create a design, search for brochure, choose the Z-fold brochure format, and then open the templates panel to pick your starting design.